Hi everyone, this is Ponkali Raj, BBL facilitator from GreenValley. In this project, they have to learn about the lives of hunters and gatherers. For all the project, we used to start with the entry event. We make sure that the entry event is live demonstrated in entry event. For this particular project, Hunters and Gatherers, we take all the children to the forest. So we ask the learners to enact as a hunters. So they have to live there. So they have to find food, they have to make fire from the natural resources. So drawing is something kids very fond of doing it, but this is not the case in this project. They have to express their illustration through their imagination. They have to make a picture book about the life of hunters and gatherers.
I just attended their presentation. Their topic was hunters and gatherers, and all the kids really did a great job. Actually, they presented really well.
Actually, real learning is this. They are going through the project, they are very confident. The topic is same, but each project is very unique in their own way. The imagination of each and every kids are very well. And I think in the future they will do the research project and PhD thesis very easily.
Happened to see all the learners presentation. It was quite good. They were explaining it with complete confidence, so that shows how the project based learning can help an individual or help a student in learning forward.
The way in which they are explaining this thing is very interesting, and to explain this to a group of people at the very early age, that is going to build a lot of confidence in them in the future also.
Today I saw that in action when they came into grade 3. We were told that it is going to be a project based learning, and today we saw that in action wherein the kids were all very enthusiastic to present their first topic, which was hunters and gatherers.
Actually, I was wondering how the kids are performing. They create their own stories. Also their drawing skills. It's very amazing.
And I really appreciate the effort taken by GreenValley to come up with something like that. All the kudos to GreenValley.